County in upstate South Carolina, Anderson County in upstate South Carolina, Eastern Pickens County in upstate South Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Pickens to 6 miles east of Clemson to 10 miles south of Seneca, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Greenville downtown, Anderson, Easley, Pickens, Greenville East Side, West Greenville, Greer, Malden, Taylors and Simpsonville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Anderson, Greenville, and Pickens. Here is a special weather statement.